What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are staying safe from this coronavirus and probably taking care of your health as well. Yeah, there's a lot going through in this world right now, so just stay tight, be happy, and just stay positive as well, guys. Because there's a lot of depression going here and there. I've heard just staying at home and lot of stuff happening in the world. So make sure you guys stay safe and just be happy. That's pretty much it. So today's topic is pretty interesting. It's about this just came to my mind uh, on how fish oil is really beneficial to the body. So I like most people don't know about fish oil and they don't even consume the fish oil tablets. But I just thought of talking about the benefits. There's massive benefits uh, when consuming fish oil or just fish oil in general. So no, what is fish oil? Fish oil is basically the oil that's extracted from the fish tissue. So this oil is pretty. It's really beneficial for the body. It has a lot of good nutrients as well. So it's supposed to support the body in like a really good way, in a really good manner. So it has like added benefits. It's shown to support heart health. Heart health. How does it support? It decreases cholesterol levels, so it's pretty good. Cholesterol is like a huge killer in this world now, obesity and stuff. So fish oil actually helps in lowering cholesterol levels and weight loss, eye health, and it also gives good healthy skin. And the main thing I want to focus is the bone health. So this is a fitness channel, so you guys work out, I work out, we lift heavy weights, we always, we are always active. So one thing that most people ignore is their joints. Because let's just take for example, if you're in the gym, let's say you're bench pressing or you're doing some shoulder press, your joints get used up and it's supposed to recover as well. But if you don't take care of your bone recovery, so how if you don't take care of your bone recovery, you will face a lot of joints issues, meaning you'll face, you'll feel like a pinching feel on your joints, and you'll feel a lot of pain, especially arthritis and back pains, elbow pains and all that stuff. So these are what I've heard and what I also experienced in my whole gymming life and working out life. A lot of fitness enthusiasts and fitness lovers, they have some sort of joint injury because they haven't taken care of your bone health. Bone health is a big is a topic that no one, I have seen no one touching on. Everyone's touching on building muscle. How do you build muscle? Eat a lot of protein and all the stuff, but they never talk about. I rarely seen a few. They never talk about how to have good joints, how to recover your bones as well. Because as I said, let's just say you're lifting heavy weights, you're bench pressing. When you're bench pressing, your elbow joints, shoulders, they get used up. So continuous repetitions. So it's always a continuous movement. So time, the more you use the joints, it gets decayed. But how do you recover this, and how do you make it recover faster? So one is it needs calcium. So calcium is really good for bone recovery. So most people focus on muscle building. With muscle building, you should take care of your bones. If you don't, it's when you grow older, it's gonna affect like really badly. How many old people have you seen with arthritis or whatever bone injury? There's tons. Around, I think around 80% of old people have some sort of bone injury because due to the lack of calcium deficiency, they haven't taken care of their calcium intake. So we can't avoid these diseases, but what we can do is minimize. Even if you take care of your health, even if you eat a lot of calcium, even if you eat a lot of protein, you get all this stuff. If the disease is supposed to come, you will get it. But the good thing is, at this time, what you can do is you can minimize the effect, like really minimize it. So what can we do? So in a normal study, I did a lot of research on this. In a normal study, they say you should at least eat two huge fish per day. So that's one is it's pretty impossible. and it takes a lot of time to cook, so we barely have time to cook, we barely have time to eat. So how do we get that essential omega-3 fish oils without eating like 2 fish a day? So it's easy. Scientists have made it easy. It's the 21st century, everything's capsuled up. So there's fish oil tablets, this one. All right. So there's different types of fish oil tablets. No matter what fish oil tablet you take, it's the same thing. But one thing you should look out for is, yeah, here you can see it says 1,000 milligrams. So this is 1,000 milligrams. I think there's 500 milligrams, 1,000 milligrams, 1,500 milligrams, and 2,000 milligrams, as far as I know. So what I recommend is 1,000 milligrams. So a capsule is basically, it looks like this. So here you go, it looks like that. So what I do is, as soon as I wake up, I drink one capsule. As soon as I go to bed, I drink one capsule. So basically 2 capsules a day. So how I get around 2,000 milligrams of fish oil per day, or omega-3, whatever you can call it. So you don't have to be a gym dude, you don't have to be a active dude or anyone. Everyone should consume fish oil because it affects the bones and all that stuff. So everyone should have capsules. And what I recommend is, I recommend this brand, Swiss. One is, this sells 500 capsules. You will never, in Australia, I don't know about other countries, but in Australia you would never find a 500 capsule 1,000 milligrams one with this same price. This is not even $30. There are pretty expensive fish oil tablets, but when it comes to fish oil, what I say is, it doesn't matter, the brand doesn't matter. If you find something cheaper, go for it, but as long as the brand's good. So always just check where it comes from, but whatever brand, as long as it's fish oil, it's good. And and how should you consume? Like, if you're like my age, I would say around 2 tablets a day. If you're older, maybe like 1 tablet. So somehow all ages should consume fish oil. But when it comes to older people, or way younger people, I would highly recommend you ask your doctor or any other physician you go to, and just let them know that you want to take fish oil, and how do they recommend, what brand do they recommend. Because I'm not a doctor, I'm not a qualified doctor, or I'm not a qualified physician. This is what I learned from throughout my days, throughout a lot of online learning and all that stuff. What I gathered information, the information I gathered. So for me, it's proven that two is all right, because I work out a lot. I use a lot of joint movements. So for me, it's 2 capsules is all right. So that's almost 2,000 milligrams. Yeah. So whatever brand, that's fine. But make sure you guys consume fish oil, because let's just say later you haven't consumed. Later in life, you met with an accident, a small accident, a gym accident or somewhere. God bless you don't. But let's just say the worst case scenario, one of your bones cracked. All right. So if you've been taking fish oil for like 10 years or 5 years, your body naturally is leveled up with whatever omega-3 or calcium that is there to recover your bones. So whenever you get a crack or you break your bone, your body already has the nutrients, so it quickly goes and tries to recover it. If you take a guy who hasn't taken, for example, tablets, he goes through an accident, his bones are going to take a long time to recover. And even if he starts taking just after the accident, it's not gonna benefit him for long, because he didn't have that enough calcium levels, and it's just he's taking after the accident. It's not gonna be that effective. So might as well, who knows, we don't know what our future holds, so might as well just take care of your bone health as well from now on. So we active individuals, we work out a lot, take care of your bones. Your muscles are also good. You're taking care of your muscles, you're taking care of your heart. It's really good. But make sure you guys take care of your bones as well, because bone issues, yeah, I like you guys might have heard a lot of people have bone issues. So it's proven there are bone issues coming. So make sure you guys get ready. So how do you get ready? Get fish oil. Always consume fish oil. What I do is 2 tablets a day. So whatever your physician says. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll just drop a link. If you guys are interested, it's a Swiss brand fish oil. So make sure you guys check it out and just share the message to your loved ones, your dad, your mom, your family members, your old people in your family. Make sure you educate them about their bone health. So if you're in Australia, if you're in a developed country, Australia, America, whatever, make sure you buy fish oil for your grandparents or parents as well, because it's pretty expensive in third world countries. So Sri Lanka, it's pretty damn expensive. So make sure when you're if you're staying in these kind of countries, make sure you take the advantage, buy buy a lot for your grandparents, parents, and send it, because it's gonna benefit. They can't find for this price. So yeah, help it out. Tag anyone who will find this helpful. Share it and just stay safe, guys. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this.